Every great story begins with a single step, and this is the start of a very big dream. Once I thought love was waiting for someone to take my hand to lead me towards adventure. But life has a way of teaching us the truth. Sometimes love isn't just a person, sometimes it's a place, a journey, a feeling you create for yourself. And so, my journey begins here, in the heart of India, where history lingers in the walls and dreams echo in crowded streets. Delhi, chaotic, vibrant, alive, the first stop before the mountains call me home. Welcome to the very first episode of My First Love here at Manali, a journey through bustling bazaars, lost allies, whispered stories, and the quiet realization that love has been waiting for me in the places I have yet to explore.
There's a hawk looking defeat circling above me, and I ask him what I need or what it means to house a breathing body. Floating with my back way down below.
Neela Divya, Tamanpreet draft on exit.
An
Dancing
insect
with
biting its own tail internally.
We are committed to giving next generation by connecting people and aspirations. Thank you.
For some time the world has seemed quite far away. Most of the time I just don't know if I'm awake. Don't know if you're okay, but I've been so afraid. I've been in my way of anything happening. What's it mean to memorize a mouth? And I've inherited the size.
ಇದು ಕಮ್ಮಲ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಲೈಕ್ பண்ண மாட்டேன்
पैक कर दूं ले लो ना अंबद अंबद
ഓ എല്ലാം പഠിച്ചു വെച്ചേക്കുക
आओ 100 वाला नहीं कर बैटरी में इधर आओ मैडम इधर आओ चलो 100 वाला बैटरी में आओ हाँ कि तुझे अच्छा था मुझे
ആ അത് അവർ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചു ये कितना 100 का 100 ये
200
എല്ലായിടത്തും ഇവര് എല്ലായിടത്തും ഹായ് ये कितना?
200
कितने का? 200.
कंप्यूटर पेंटिंग ये बना क्या इनमें ईयरबड्स थोड़ा कम ला देंगे
मैडम मैडम डोरमेट दे
Insect biting its own tail internally. For some time the world has seemed quite far away. Most of the time I just don't know if I'm awake. Don't know if you're okay, but I've been so afraid. I've been in my way of anything happening. What's it mean to memorize a mouth? And I've inherited the silence, oh the silence, oh the silence of this house. Lately when I'm staring at myself, I'm terrified to find that for the first time I am really no one else. For some time the world has seemed quite far away. Most of the time I just don't know